Welcome to the EcoMatcher Academy. In this short video, we will show you how to download an Excel spreadsheet with tree links. You can use those tree links in your own marketing email programs. Let's get started. First, go to Tree Manager and select the Download Spreadsheet option. In the menu above, you notice 3 steps. In the first step, you have to complete some of your company details, including uploading your logo, customizing the tree marker icon, selecting your company's primary color, and adding your company name and website. The second step allows you to choose or customize the gift box. Remember, the gift box is the first thing your tree recipient will see, so choose wisely. In the next step, you define the country where the trees are located, the number of tree links you want, how many trees per link, and the preferred language of the tree recipients. You can also choose where your tree recipient will be directed to. If you want the recipient to see the gift box first, followed by the tree tracker, select Gift Box plus Tree Tracker. If you want them to see the tree tracker immediately and skip the gift box, select Tree Tracker only. Once you click Generate, EcoMatcher will generate the spreadsheet and send an email to your email address that enables you to download the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet shows you the tree links, the countries where the trees are, and each tree code that can be used in Tree Tracker. Happy gifting!